Hello everyone, welcome back. This morning during the Asian market open, gold experienced significant volatility. The cost of the short position opened last week was 5,250. Order size was 1.6 lots. At this time, I learned that a major international event had occurred, so I woke up very early today, waiting for gold to open for trading. While analyzing the market over the weekend, I identified a resistance level on the 2-hour chart. It was at 5384. Right at this position, the area marked by the ellipse. Let's take a closer look at the price action in this area. As for the technical essentials, we will explain them in the later video tutorials. This is a standard continuation top pattern. The low point of this top pattern is exactly at 5,384, this level. Let me explain in detail using the tall pattern theory. I'll mark it with the drawing tool. This is the first candlestick, the second candlestick, the third. These three candlesticks form a top pattern. The lowest point of the middle candlestick in the top pattern is 5384. For now, we are only analyzing the operation. As for the technical theory, it will be covered in the later tutorial videos. Some technical essentials of the top pattern. At key price levels, its high and low points will become important levels later on. Now let's look at the 1-minute chart. Right at the market open, the 1-minute time frame fluctuated significantly. It rose to a high of 5381. After trading open today, there was a significant gap up. The first candlestick on the 1-minute chart just touched that resistance level on the 2-hour chart. I opened a short position of 1.6 lots at 5,380 at that time. Short position of 1.6 lots at 5,250. Short position of 1.6 lots at 5380. Then my total average cost for the short positions was 5315. So I immediately set a pending take profit order for 1.6 short lots at 5310. A miracle happened. Immediately on the second candlestick, there was a significant gap down and plunge, which directly filled my pending order successfully. Currently, I still hold the short position, opened at 5380. I did not close all short positions here, only closed the short position opened at 5,250. Consider it a cost replacement, because my average cost had already increased from 5,250 to 5315. After that, I kept observing the price action, still on the 1-minute chart. Finally, when the price action made a new high, a divergence segment appeared on a time frame below 1 minute. When this divergence segment appeared, it just exceeded the previous high of the first candlestick at 5381. In this 1-minute price structure, it formed a top pattern, and a top pattern appeared simultaneously. This is its high point. So I opened another short position of 1.6 lots at 5,390. At this time, my total average cost increased to 5,352. Continued waiting for the 1-minute level price action to complete. Afterwards, a 5-wave pullback appeared. I marked it with red lines. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. When I waited until this point, although the downward momentum began to weaken, it was still not possible to confirm whether the decline had stopped. Then it rebounded from the low, forming 2 waves of price action. When the second wave appeared, its low point was close to the low of the left wave. Currently, market volatility is starting to decrease. It found price support here. The previous 1-minute price action was a downtrend. So I considered whether to close 1.6 lots of the short position. To prevent the level from converting to 5-minute, closed 1.6 lots in this area, but kept 1.6 lots of the short position as a base position unchanged. The base short position of 1.6 lots has an average cost of 5352. For the subsequent price action, let the market choose for itself whether the level converts to 5-minute, continues to make new highs, or evolves into a consolidation. No one can know. I have already traded twice this morning. The cost has increased a lot. I am content. Currently, the price has reached this resistance zone. It is not a very good position. If the level conversion is successful, only if the 5-minute level makes a new high can we continue trading. 5-minute chart, consolidating. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, there are two resistance levels, 5,426 and 5450. Then patiently wait for the European market session. That's all for the operation analysis. See you next time.